So let's take a look at Lovers in a Dangerous Time. Three chords, C, D minor 7, B flat major 7. So this time I actually called the chords their name and suggest that you play the C with your fourth finger. That way you can add your D minor and your B flat major 7 accordingly. Otherwise it doesn't sound quite as nice. It's got a nice moodier ring to it, so it doesn't really matter which way you play it. But I like it with the 7 chords, just because it helps my vocals rise a little bit and keeps me on key. As you know, that's a struggle for me. We also have the standard C, D minor, and B. So it doesn't matter which one, but I'm going to play it with the 7 chords. And again, a great tune. It also really reminds us of the finiteness of everything, and that's why ukuleles are a constant source of joy, because we got to have a little joy every day, otherwise our days can turn quite rut-like. But I'm raving and rambling as usual, so let's play the song. Island strum, C, D minor, B flat major 7, C, standard D minor if you want, B flat major 7. Don't let the hours, 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't let the hours grow shorter as the days go by. We never get to stop and open our eyes. 1 minute you're waiting for the sky to fall. Next you're dazzled by the beauty of it all. Lovers in a dangerous time. Lovers in a dangerous time. These fragile bodies of touch and taste. Skin, this hair like lace. Spirits open to a thrust of grace. Never a breath you can afford to waste. Lovers in a dangerous time. In a dangerous time. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're just going over the bass solo. Try taking off and adding fingers anytime you want. When your lover's in a dangerous time. Feel as if your love's a crime. Nothing worth having comes without some kind of fight. You gotta kick at the darkness till it bleeds daylight. Lovers in a dangerous time. In a dangerous time. Lovers So, I adore playing that song on the ukulele, and I hope that you did too, because it's one of Canada's best, and I think it's it's more true now than it's ever been. And again, wow, we're already at the end of the 2025 season. This is our 8th year